Well, Anna, Herbert, I'm so pleased that you were able to be here at Elon, and that Elon was able to host the Transnational conference. You know, it's so important in the work of what we do, both as professors and teachers, and as the international organizations that produce the instruments that we talk about, and which is why I think it's so exciting that we have you as the Deputy Secretary General of UNIDROIT here representing the work that's going on there, and Herbert, distinguished professor who's been coordinating this very important event every year. We've finished up this session, so I think we had a tremendously successful conference. The level of discussion was as good as I think we could hope for. Top people from all over the world came in and participated with us. I'm coming away from this conference thinking we were very successful, and I thank you, the two of you, for helping put this thing together and participating.
Well, I think it's for Anna to assess it from the point of view of the intergovernmental organization, but I think it was important that at one point the organization UNIDROIT, in this particular case, recognized and went back to its origins, which of course were a republic of scholars.
That's very well said, Herbert. I think this is what UNIDROIT is about. It's discussing, but also coming up with important practical instruments. And what I really liked about this conference was that the academics, the experts were talking about the newest instruments, or the ones which have been around for a while, but they're still active, like the UNIDROIT Principles of International Commercial Contracts.
And the 1920s instruments and
exactly.
the Hague rules
of the other organization. And the other thing I really loved was the fact that the students were involved, and they could show how important it is for them to be to gain knowledge on what is happening in the international world, abroad or in international organizations, with an enthusiasm that I really liked to see.
Yes, I think that was a very important part of the conference. Was we are at the law school, you know, and our educational mission is our primary mission, and to have the students involved and for them to see what scholars, top scholars from around the world are talking about and doing, and being able to participate. I was so proud of our students and the way that they were able to participate. That was wonderful.
Yes, and there's another element which just crosses my mind. Obviously, a great number of the participants are old friends. They've been around since the second or the third of the 14 meetings. But you also run into, or you meet for the first time, people who were important without being connected to us physically, and they are not necessarily from all over the world, but in this case from Duke Law School. Stephen Schwartz was one of the people at the cradle of the financial services capital markets work 25, almost 30 years ago. So a wonderful mix of old friends and heroes. One reveres but meets physically for the first time.
So we have really to thank you personally, Henry, for what you have done, but also the Elon Law School, because the organization was perfect. The venue is really cozy at the same time, but also very functional, and the students were engaged. It was lovely to be here.
Yes.